Now come to exercise 8.3. Say question number 1. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transaction. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. See A part. A part is gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. Here in A part, cost price of gardening shares it is rupees 250 and selling price of gardening shares it is rupees 325. Here since SP is greater than CP, therefore and there is a profit. Profit is given by selling price minus cost price, that is rupees 325 minus 250, and if you subtract it you will get rupees 75. Therefore profit will be rupees 75. Now you have to find out profit percent. Therefore profit percent it is given by profit upon CP into 100%. Put the values. Profit is rupees 75. Cost price it is rupees 250 into 100%. Now simplify it by 25. 25 10 ja 250, 25 4 ja. Now cancel by 2. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja. Then by 5. 5 1 ja and 5 15 ja. You will get 30%. Now come to second part. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 sold at rupees 13,500. Here CP of refrigerator it is rupees 12,000. SP of refrigerator It is rupees 13,500. Yes, since here SP is greater than CP, therefore there is a profit. Profit is given by SP minus CP. Put the values. Rupees SP is 13,500 minus CP is 12,000. Solve this. You will get rupees 1,500. Therefore, profit percent it is equivalent to profit upon CP into 100%. Put the values. Profit is rupees 1,500 upon CP. It is 12,000 into 100%. Now solve it. Here you can cancel 2 zeros by 2 zero, then 1 zero by 1 zero, then by 3. 3 5 are 15, 0, and by 3. 3 4 are 12, again by 2. It is 2, 25. This is equivalent to 25 upon 2 percent. Convert it into decimal. We will get 12.5%. This is your answer. Now come to C part. A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500 and sold it at rupees 3,000. Here CP of cupboard it is rupees 2,500. SP of cupboard it is rupees 3,000. Here since here SP is greater than CP, therefore profit therefore there will be profit, and profit is given by SP minus CP. Put the values. Rupees SP is 3,000 minus CP is 2,500. equal to rupees 500. Therefore, profit percent it is given by profit upon CP into 100%. Put the values. Profit is 500 upon cost price it is 2500 into 100%, and solve this. Here you can cancel 20 by 20, again by 5, 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja 25, again by 5, 5 1 ja, and 5 20 ja, they will get 20%. This is your answer. Now come to D part. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold it at rupees 150. Here CP of skirt it is rupees 250. SP, that is selling price of skirt, it is rupees 150. Since CP is greater than SP, then there is a loss. Therefore, loss is given by CP minus SP. Put the values. CP is rupees 250 minus SP, it is rupees 150. Solve this, you will get rupees 100. This is your loss. Now loss percent. Loss percent is given by loss upon CP into 100%. Put the values. Loss is 100 upon CP, it is 250 into 100%. Here simplify it. Here we can cancel 0 by 0. Then 25 4 ja 100. So 25 1 ja and 25 4 ja 100. Multiply this 4 into 10, 40. 40%. Therefore, your loss percent is 40%. This is your answer.